In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on Gemini 3 Pro inside Figma Make. If you've heard about the new model and want to try it for your own design generation or prototyping, enabling it only takes a moment once you know where to look. Start by opening a Figma Make file because Gemini 3 Pro is only available inside Make, not in standard Figma design documents. Once your Make file is open, look toward the top right corner and click on Settings. From the drop-down, select Make Settings. This will open a panel dedicated to configuration specifically for AI-powered workflows. On the left side, you'll see a section called Experimental Models. This is where Figma lists any new AI models that are being tested or rolled out early. Inside this menu, look for Gemini 3 Pro. By default, the toggle will be switched off for your project. Simply click the toggle to turn it on. The moment you enable it, Gemini 3 Pro becomes available as a selectable model inside your prompt box at the bottom of your Make canvas. You don't need to restart anything. As soon as it's enabled, you can click the model selector in the prompt bar and choose Gemini 3 Pro to start generating designs, layouts, and UI variations powered by the new model. That's all it takes. Once activated, Gemini 3 Pro will be ready for any prompt you type, allowing you to experiment with faster, more creative, and more structured outputs directly inside Figma Make.